Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix the selection is locked error in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. All right, first things first, close Microsoft Word if it's open. Now, let's head to the file location where Word is installed. To do this, open File Explorer on your PC, and then go to C Drive, and then open the Program Files x86 folder, and then open the folder that says Microsoft Office. Once you're in the folder, and then look for the folder named Office 15 or a similar version number, depending on what you have installed. Now inside this folder, scroll down until you'll see a file named OSP-PARM. This is what we need to run to fix the issue. Once you find it, simply right-click on this file and select Run as Administrator. After that, click on the Yes to confirm. After running this, go back to Microsoft Word. The selection is locked error should now be gone, and you'll be able to edit your document as usual. And that's it. You've now unlocked selection in Microsoft Word with just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.